Are you wanting to build your first app and you don't know where to start? Or perhaps you're trying to create something for your team, but they're across lots of different platforms and you know how one works, but the others are less familiar. Well, hopefully Apptrix.ai has something here that can help you out. Not only does our technology work across all platforms, we have some new AI features that will help you to get up and running based just off your ideas. Let's dive right in. I'll get started just by opening the Apptrix user interface, and you'll see this AI assistant that's available. And so here we can, instead of creating from scratch from a blank canvas, we could just describe the application that we would like. And so I've just pasted in a prompt that will get us started. The text's a little bit small, but let me read it. We're looking for a New Year, New Me app that helps us to track healthy activities. At the top, add a bold motivational sentence. And after that, a week selector, showing the current week and allowing me to go backwards and forwards with buttons. After that, it should add 20 rows, where the odd-numbered rows are for each of the habits, populated with some great ideas, and on the even rows, there should be checkboxes, one for each day of the week. From here, we just tap the Generate button and it gets to work. The system has a fair amount to think about pulling together an application that's going to be cross-platform and work on all different devices. Once it's finished thinking, it creates the application, and you can see this little preview on screen. It's not a full-size application, but it checks that we're on the right path. If you're not happy, we can tap Try Again, but I'm going to go forward with that. I'll tap Continue, and I just need to give it a name. New Year App. It will save to my home directory. And now you can see the application has loaded like it might do on an iPhone. I'll just switch it to my desktop preview as well and give it a little bit of space to work. Before we can deploy this, we just need to give the app an ID and an icon. And with that added, we can tap Deploy. I'm going to use this on my Mac, and probably I want it on my Android device as well. And then we just tap Deploy. And you can see here it has opened in a new browser window for us, and that is going to run the process for all the operating systems that we selected. It will just take a few minutes, so we'll skip that a little bit. Just a minute or two later, you can see that this is now available for the Android and my macOS computer. I'll download this version and we can try that running. You'll notice this QR code. If I had my Android phone to hand, I could just scan that and it would download the application and install it on that device as well. By tapping on that app, it will expand the zip. And now that it's available, we can run it. New Year app, and it has launched that. And we have this native app on our computer. Obviously, we could have done a lot of other things. We could have spent more time working on the exact goals that we have. We could change that statement that was generated. We could add different widgets or graphics. Of course, this was just a couple of minutes. Think what would be possible with even just an hour of your time. Hopefully you enjoy using this product, and do reach out and let us know what you're building or if there's anything at all that the team can do to help.